drugs zinakuwaga mainly coping mechanism. Ni kama ukiwa na njaa unakula, umemiss mtu unampikia mnaenda kumuona. So drugs in essence haikuwagi something bad as far as the brain is concerned. Hiyo ndio fix to this problem that I have. I mean, it is not the best fix, but nevertheless it's a fix. Supposing niko na stress, nikate maji ama nikute ngwai ama whatever drugs I'm using, hizo dakika kidogo niko happy. Hizo dakika kidogo that I'm not thinking about my problems, trauma, fear, anxieties, ziko worth hiyo kutake hiyo drug. Naongea kwa context, this is about me praising drugs. That's why inakuwa very difficult kuhavi conversation ya drugs. That's why inakuwa very problematic kujaribu kuaddress drugs, because one group of people wanafeel kitu ni essential. I need it because niko place bias na itanifanya nikuwe better ama niweze kucope na shit. Then there is the other side yenye na feel kuhusu drugs ni mbaya, people should not use them. Conversation yenyewe ni necessary as long as both parties will agree the discomfort that a conversation inaleta, because it's only by understanding whatever I'm going through, why am I using these drugs, that tunaweza fix some of these problems. Suppose mimi na feel kama mamangu alipendi, now I'm using drugs. If we get to a place here to have a conversation na mamangu aniprove hana shida na mimi, ananipenda, then we can start talking about addiction and how maybe to reduce. Because you see, suppose maybe niko in deep na nishakuwa addicted, so it's not now I don't need it, but I have to use it because withdrawals ni tricky. But once nime clear shit yenye ilikuwa once I'm over my anxiety or fears, once I'm over my trauma, once I'm over the pain yenye nilikuwa nayo, then we can start fixing it. So wewe kuniambia wachana drugs zitakuua, nisaidie, hizi drugs ndio zimenisaidia na nisijue in the first place. Does that make sense?